Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium. I'm going to use 2 strands together, and the crochet hook that I'm using is in size 10 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and then I will chain 28. So now that we have chained 28 for row 1, on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. In the next chain, 1 single crochet. In the next chain, 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 1. Now for row 2, I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 4. Now through the next 3 chains, I'll make 1 treble crochet through each chain. Now we have 4 treble crochets, these 3 treble crochets, and plus this 4 chain in the beginning of the row counts as 1 treble crochet, so we have 4 treble crochets. Now I will skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 5 treble crochet. Now I'll chain 2, and now I'll skip the next 4 chains, and through the next 5 chains I'll make 1 treble crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 5 treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'll chain 2, Then I'll skip the next 4 chains, and through the next 4 chains I'll make 1 treble crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 4. Now through these next 3 treble crochet chains I'll make 1 treble crochet through each chain. Now through this next treble crochet chain I'll make 5 treble crochet. I'll chain 2. Now right here through these 5 treble crochet chains in the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet through each of these 5 chains. This next treble crochet chain, I'll make 5 treble crochet. I'll chain 2. Now through these last 4 treble crochet chains, I'll make 1 treble crochet through each chain. This completes row 3. Now for row 4, I'll turn my work around, and then I will chain 4. Now through these next 3 chains, I'll make 1 treble crochet through each chain. Now through this next treble crochet chain, I'll make 5 treble crochet through the same chain. Chain 2. Now through this 5 treble crochet chains through the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet through each chain. Now through this next treble crochet chain, I'll make 5 treble crochet. Now I'll chain 2. Now through these last 4 chains, I'll make 1 treble crochet through each chain. The pattern, we need to repeat rows 3 and 4. Repeat rows 3 and 4 for the pattern. So we repeat rows 3 and 4 until our work reaches our desired length. And now for the last row, I will chain 1, then right there through the second chain from a hook, which is our first treble crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain, 1 single crochet. Through the next chain, 1 single crochet. Through this 2 chain loop, I'll make 2 single crochet. Through these next 5 treble crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through these next 5 treble crochet chains that are right there in the center of our work, I'll make 5 single crochet, 1 single crochet through each chain. Now right here through this 2 chain loop, I'll make 2 single crochet. Through the next 5 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through these next 4 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Measures 85 inches. So it's around 9 inches, 8.5 inches more like. And around it's 17.5 inches. So I'm just going to use 2 strands of yarn. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.